In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove and replace a plastic connector on the hop-up display. First up, with a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw behind the plastic connector. Once the screw is removed, let the Velcro piece fall to the ground, and then, with a regular flathead screwdriver, squeeze the plastic piece inside of the plastic square, and the plastic connector will pop up. Then, to replace the connector, take the plastic connector, push it into the hole, let it snap into place, take the Velcro piece, realign it, and again with the Phillips screwdriver, screw it back into the display. And removal and replacement of the plastic connector on the hop-up display is complete.